I'll show you the Rubanak, the electric plane. That's the Soviet one that's going to bring out now, and just knock those edges off there while I'm here. I'll give you a look at that. So this is the old Soviet era plane. It's a bit like modern ones. You've got the same thing on there to raise or lower the blade, and a depth gauge. And you've got a blower on this so it doesn't blow it in your face. You can change the thing. Doesn't seem to work very well, but the quality of this thing is unbelievable. Much better than anything. Even proper professional tools is much better. It's much easier blade. You just take the blade out, sharpen it, put it back in again. Double-sided as well. So, and then just to get older still. So very good tool. Will recommend buying all the tools you can get them. The quality is unbelievable compared to today. Even the top brands are made in China, and they're not got the quality that this kind of stuff has. So I'll give you a whirl. That's it, all done. So I've one more over there to do, and that'll be it. And of course, you've guessed it, if you've done anything like that, next thing is the old antiseptic. Anything with an open timber is susceptible to mould growth, and you don't want that on your brand new house you've just built. Hello YouTubers, good morning. Well, it's day 7, and so it's time to do some of the piramishka, the studs, as I said yesterday. So I'll show you what I'm going to do, and I'll put a picture of the plan of this part that I'm doing in the video, inserted here somewhere. So, but this is the portion we're doing, and the reason it's complex had me scratching my head a bit this morning. I've been out and measuring up and whatever. Had me scratching my head because this is very important where the walls are going to go. As you know, the walls, as I've already said, under the walls must be a fire cut-off. So the studs must go under the wall. Where there's a wall must be something underneath it to block it off in case of fire, so it doesn't flip under the walls in the ceiling as well. So it's a case of working out exactly where the walls are going to go and putting in the studs exactly where they're going to go. There is actually, I'll turn you on, there is actually 3 more joists to put in here to bring it into line with the walls, and then a lot of studding to do.